How to open savings account in bank? Well, it is definitely possible to open a savings account on your bank right from your browser or mobile. But first, you have to decide for which bank you want to create a savings account. So whether it is Bank of America, Chase Bank, Wells Fargo Bank, etc., and many of the other banks that are available, they do offer you an option to create a checkings account or savings account right from the website. So here in this case, I'm just choosing generic, let's say Chase website over here. Here, if I go to chase.com, there you'll find the option to savings, and you can choose a savings account from there. And once done, simply select the type of account that you want to create and click on the open now option. Here you should be able to see a certain requirements that would be your social security number, your driver's license or your state ID. It will ask you, are you an existing customer? So we're not, so we'll select get started. Now the process on other banks are also pretty much the same. Just locate the savings account section and you should be able to find the option. Fill out a certain form that they actually give you and you can just click on the next option, and also make sure to fill out all of these details here. And once done, you should be able to just hit the next option and you will be able to finish creating your bank account. This way you'll be able to open the savings account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.